Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're tackling a topic that touches all of us, either directly or through the loved ones in our lives. Longevity after 70. It's a question many ponder. Why do we often see a decline in health and a shorter lifespan for some after this milestone age? We're going to dive deep, exploring the intricate web of biological changes, lifestyle factors, and even societal influences that contribute to this reality. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's unravel this important subject together. At the heart of aging lies the fundamental process of cellular senescence, essentially the aging of our individual cells. Think of your body as a complex machine with trillions of tiny working parts. Over time, these parts accumulate wear and tear. One key aspect of this is the shortening of telomeres. Telomeres are protective caps at the end of our chromosomes, like the plastic tips on shoelaces. Every time a cell divides, these telomeres get a little shorter. Eventually, they become so short that the cell can no longer divide and function properly. This cellular aging contributes to a decline in tissue repair and regeneration throughout the body. Furthermore, as we age, our cells experience increased oxidative stress. This is caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cellular components like DNA and proteins. Our bodies have natural defense mechanisms against these free radicals, but their efficiency diminishes with age, leading to cumulative damage. Another crucial biological factor is the accumulation of senescent cells, often called zombie cells. These are cells that have stopped dividing but don't die off. Instead, they release harmful inflammatory molecules that can damage surrounding tissues and contribute to various age-related diseases. Research is actively exploring ways to target and eliminate these senescent cells to promote healthier aging. Finally, our DNA itself can accumulate damage over time due to environmental factors and errors during cell division. While our bodies have repair mechanisms, they become less efficient with age, leading to an increased risk of mutations that can contribute to disease. The cellular changes we've discussed have a cascading effect on our major organ systems. After 70, we often see a noticeable decline in their function, making the body more vulnerable. Let's start with the cardiovascular system. The heart muscle can weaken, becoming less efficient at pumping blood. Arteries can stiffen and narrow due to the buildup of plaque, a condition called atherosclerosis. This reduces blood flow to vital organs, increasing the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and high blood pressure, which are major contributors to mortality in older adults. The respiratory system also undergoes significant changes. Lung tissue can lose elasticity, and the muscles involved in breathing may weaken. This reduces lung capacity and makes it harder to take deep breaths, increasing susceptibility to respiratory infections like pneumonia and influenza, which can be particularly dangerous for the elderly. Our kidneys, responsible for filtering waste from the blood, also become less efficient with age. This can lead to a buildup of toxins in the body and make it harder to regulate fluid balance, increasing the risk of kidney disease. The digestive system can also slow down. Reduced muscle contractions in the gut can lead to issues like constipation. Nutrient absorption may also become less efficient, potentially leading to deficiencies even with a seemingly adequate diet. Finally, our immune system undergoes a process called immunosenescence. This means it becomes less effective at fighting off infections and responding to vaccines. This increased vulnerability to illness is a significant factor contributing to morbidity and mortality in older adults. While biological aging is inevitable, our lifestyle choices throughout our lives play a crucial role in how well we age and our overall longevity. Diet is paramount. A lifetime of consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein provides the necessary nutrients to support one's cellular function and overall health. Conversely, a diet high in processed foods, unhealthy fats, and added sugars can accelerate aging and increase the risk of chronic diseases. Physical activity is equally vital. Regular exercise, including both cardiovascular and strength training, helps maintain muscle mass, bone density, cardiovascular health, and cognitive function. A sedentary lifestyle, on the other hand, contributes to muscle weakness, increased risk of falls, and a higher likelihood of developing chronic conditions. Smoking is unequivocally detrimental to health at any age, but its cumulative effects become particularly pronounced in older age. It damages nearly every organ in the body, significantly increasing the risk of heart disease, lung cancer, stroke, and other life-threatening conditions. Excessive alcohol consumption can also take a toll over time, damaging the liver, heart, and brain, and increasing the risk of certain cancers. Moderation is key, and for some older adults, abstaining altogether may be the healthiest choice. Chronic stress can also accelerate aging by constantly activating the body's stress response, leading to inflammation and wear and tear on various systems. Managing stress through techniques like mindfulness, meditation, or engaging in enjoyable hobbies is crucial for healthy aging. Finally, social engagement and mental stimulation are increasingly recognized as important factors in maintaining cognitive health and overall well-being in later life. Social isolation and a lack of mental activity can contribute to cognitive decline and an increased risk of conditions like dementia. As our biological defenses weaken and the cumulative effects of lifestyle choices become apparent, the risk of developing chronic age-related diseases increases significantly after 70. These conditions are major contributors to disability and reduced lifespan. Cardiovascular disease, as we discussed earlier, remains a leading cause of death in older adults. Conditions like coronary artery disease, heart failure, and stroke can severely impact quality of life and longevity. Neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease are also more prevalent with age. These conditions progressively impair cognitive function and motor skills, significantly impacting independence and increasing vulnerability to other health issues. Cancer risk also increases with age due to accumulated DNA damage and a less effective immune system. While advancements in cancer treatment are ongoing, it remains a significant threat to the health and longevity of older adults. Osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weakened bones, becomes more common with age, particularly in women after menopause. This increases the risk of fractures, which can lead to significant disability and even mortality in older individuals. Type 2. Diabetes is another age-related condition that can have widespread effects on the body, increasing the risk of heart disease, stroke, kidney disease, nerve damage, and vision problems. Furthermore, the presence of multiple chronic conditions, often referred to as multimorbidity, is common in older adults. Managing several coexisting illnesses can be complex and significantly impact overall health and lifespan. It's important to recognize that individual biology and lifestyle aren't the only factors at play. Societal factors can also significantly influence the health and longevity of older adults. Access to quality health care is paramount. Regular checkups, timely screenings, and effective management of chronic conditions can make a significant difference in preventing complications and prolonging life. However, disparities in healthcare access based on socioeconomic status, geographic location, and other factors can lead to poorer health outcomes for some older adults. Socioeconomic factors also play a crucial role. Poverty and lack of access to nutritious food, safe housing, and adequate resources can negatively impact health and shorten lifespan. Social support networks are also vital for healthy aging. Strong relationships with family and friends can provide emotional support, reduce feelings of isolation, and encourage healthy behaviors. Conversely, social isolation and loneliness have been linked to poorer physical and mental health outcomes. Ageism, or negative stereotypes and discrimination based on age, can also have a detrimental impact. It can lead to older adults being overlooked in healthcare, facing employment discrimination, and experiencing a decline in self-esteem, all of which can indirectly affect their health and well-being. While the aging process is inevitable, understanding the factors that contribute to declining health after 70 empowers us to take action, both individually and collectively, to promote healthier and longer lives. Individually, adopting and maintaining a healthy lifestyle throughout life is crucial. This includes a balanced diet, regular physical activity, avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol, managing stress effectively, and staying mentally and socially engaged. Regular medical checkups and screenings are also essential for early detection and management of age-related conditions. Open communication with healthcare providers is key to addressing health concerns proactively. On a broader societal level, we need to advocate for policies that ensure equitable access to quality healthcare for all older adults, address socioeconomic disparities, combat ageism, and foster supportive and inclusive communities. Research into the biology of aging and the development of interventions to slow down the aging process and treat age-related diseases holds immense promise for extending healthy lifespans. Supporting this research is an investment in our future. Research into the biology of aging and the development of interventions to slow down the aging process and treat age-related diseases holds immense promise for extending healthy lifespans. Supporting this research is an investment in our future. Think about it. Every dollar invested in understanding the fundamental mechanisms of aging has the potential to unlock breakthroughs that could delay the onset of age-related diseases, improve quality of life in later years, and even extend the human lifespan. We're talking about potentially adding not just years to our lives, but healthy years. This research spans a wide range of areas. Scientists are exploring the role of genetics, searching for longevity genes that might protect against age-related decline. They're investigating the impact of diet and nutrition, identifying specific compounds that could promote cellular health and longevity. They're developing new drugs and therapies to target senescent cells, repair DNA damage, and boost the immune system. And they're pioneering innovative technologies like gene editing and regenerative medicine that could revolutionize how we approach aging. The potential benefits are enormous. Imagine a future where Alzheimer's disease is preventable, where heart disease is a rare occurrence, where we can maintain our physical and cognitive abilities well into our 80s, 90s, and beyond. This isn't science fiction, it's the direction in which research is taking us. But this progress requires our support. Funding for aging research is often limited, and we need to advocate for increased investment from governments, private organizations, and individuals. We can do this by contacting our elected officials, supporting research charities, and raising awareness about the importance of this work. We also need to be critical consumers of information and be wary of unsubstantiated claims and miracle cures. The field of aging research is complex, and it's essential to rely on credible sources and evidence-based information. Ultimately, while the statistics may suggest a decline in longevity for some after 70, it's important to remember that aging is a highly individual process. Many individuals live active, healthy, and fulfilling lives well beyond this age. By understanding the underlying factors, taking proactive steps, and supporting research into the biology of aging, we can all strive to maximize our chances of enjoying more healthy and vibrant years. Ultimately, while the statistics may suggest a decline in longevity for some after 70, it's important to remember that aging is a highly individual process. Many individuals live active, healthy, and fulfilling lives well beyond this age. By understanding the underlying factors and taking proactive steps, we can all strive to maximize our chances of enjoying more healthy and vibrant years. So, what can you do today? Start by making conscious choices about your own health. Embrace a balanced diet, engage in regular physical activity, manage stress, and prioritize social connections. Stay informed about the latest advancements in aging research and consider supporting organizations dedicated to this vital work. Talk to your loved ones about the importance of healthy aging and advocate for policies that support older adults in your community. Thank you for joining me on this important discussion. I hope this has provided you with a deeper understanding of the complexities of aging and the factors that can influence longevity after 70. Remember, knowledge is power, and by understanding these processes, we can make informed choices and advocate for a healthier future for ourselves and our loved ones. I truly hope you found this discussion insightful and empowering. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to stay up to date with more in-depth explorations of health, well-being, and the fascinating science of aging, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. By subscribing, you'll never miss our latest videos. And while you're at it, don't forget to tap that notification bell. Thank you again for watching. We truly appreciate your support and your engagement. Until our next video, take good care and stay curious.